आज मैं स्पाइडर नोयर की ड्राइंग की आउटलाइन ड्रॉ करने वाला हूँ।
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet.
आउटलाइन ड्रॉ करते टाइम आपको पेंसिल के ऊपर ज़्यादा प्रेशर का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है।
I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job.
आपको ज़्यादा हड़बड़ी नहीं करनी है, आपको स्लोली आउटलाइन ड्रॉ करनी है। आपको अपना पूरा टाइम देकर आउटलाइन ड्रॉ करनी है।
I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting and I'll never look back.
बिल्कुल स्लोली लाइटली आउटलाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, ज़्यादा डार्क आउटलाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करनी है।
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?